This is how we drive mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this, we're going to show you how you can install or download your video card driver in your MSI Bravo or Alpha series of notebook. In this case, we are going to MSI website to download the video card driver. Maybe the video card driver is missing. Let's see, MSI 17 Bravo, this computer. Driver download. According to your computer, go inside, accept all according to your computer. I think this is the version. And driver, here you see 64-bit of window. Here let's see, wireless graphics. You see here AMD graphics driver, this one. I hit here download button. You can see here is downloading, and we'll hit this, will open. Come here, setup, yes. It's loading, let's see. In installing the driver, so we have to wait and see. We're almost there, it's finished, it's done. Okay guys, this is the way you can download and install graphics card driver for your MSI Bravo or Alpha series of notebook. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care, till then, bye.